All right, guys, now that the drift car is fixed, now my trailer broke. Let me show you guys. So you can see right there, the leaf spring broke on it. Gotta replace it. So we're gonna start. I lifted it up already. Gotta put a jack on the other side, or a jack stand, and start removing the wheels and see what's going on. Maybe get a whole new leaf spring setup. Get this thing working. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I set up the towers here, the jack stands all around, and now we're sturdy. We're not moving. And now we can start by removing the tires, and then we're going to, so I know it might need more work than just one. So if one broke and they're all rusted, all of them might break soon. So we just got to figure out what we're gonna do. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we almost got the one side out. They're really rusted, the bolts, but I was able to get these out. And now we're going to, once we have this off completely, we're gonna do the other side. And I jacked it up so that it can be held in place. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put the tires on there, or I'm just gonna probably drop. I'm gonna put the tires on there, put two lug nuts on there, and then I'm gonna sit it on the floor, and then I'm gonna move on to the next axle. Kids are ripping the crazy carts while Daddy's working. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got the leaf spring out on both sides, and now we're gonna go to Tractor Supply to see if we can find those leaf springs. Let's get it. All right, so we're at Tractor Supply, and we're gonna see if they have these parts. Let's get it. All right, guys, so Tractor Supply, they didn't have the parts, so we're out here at another spot we found, Maximum Marine, and they have a lot of parts here for trailers, any type of trailer that you have. So make sure you guys check them out. Let's get it. We found a friend. Right, so they have the springs, so that's a good thing. We're waiting for two more. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're painting all the hardware that we bought and all the bolts that I had. I actually took the rust off and made them pretty. So that's how they're looking. And I'm gonna be sanding all this down as well, getting as much rust as I can off out of all these places. And she's helping me. Yeah. So, yep, you're my baby. So we're gonna be doing that next and freshen this thing up so that we can give it a little longer of a life and maybe sell it later to somebody that can use it and get a bigger trailer. But for now, we're gonna keep going. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got everything painted real nice. Trailer is painted, and I took off all the rust that I had on there with a wire wheel, and yeah, she's looking good. I just quick sprayed the whole trailer, and she looks as good as it's gonna look for now. I'm happy with it. So now what we're gonna do, let that dry, and then we're gonna start putting it together so we can rip in the next few weeks, because it's my birthday soon and gotta rip. So let's get it. Just like that, we're done. We're done installing the new leaf springs. Definitely changes the view of this trailer. Looks really good. Both sides were changed so that we don't have any issues. I don't know if I should keep these as spares. I don't think so. I'm just gonna junk them. They're all rusted. They have lines set right here. That's where the other one broke. So probably gonna toss these out. We don't need them anymore. Let's get it. Let's put these tires on, move the trailer out the way, and maybe shred it a little bit. Let's go. So trailer is done. Looking fresh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna paint the rim for one of these days too. I ran out of paint. I was gonna do that as well. But she's looking good. And we can move on to the next project. Let's get it.